Caged. 68 monsters, 4 secrets, 30 items. Nothing but death everywhere you go. We begin with a super shotgun, armor, and shotgun shells. Out of the way. It's really risky to try and steal a shotgun from the shotgunner. But in my mind, it's worth it. Now you know the deal here. Just slam away at them until they all hit the ground. Thud. Thud. Well, that was exciting. God, I still see those chain gunners in the corner of my vision and just panic. One more. Boom. Fine, he had to be a tough guy. Oh well. Let's see. We better stock up on ammunition before we trigger the next big ambush. And of course, health is always nice. Abois. I don't know why, but it makes me laugh. Abois. They sound so cute when they die. Nice shot, chain gunner. Okay. Well, we're here. We're on our way. We have a bunch of stuff killed, which means that I'm established in the level at this point. Shut it, Lost Soul. I don't want to hear your crap right now. Okay, so now let's go get the chain gun, yellow key, and flip this. You'll get your turn, Kako. Just wait. Whoa! Whoa! Damn! There's chain gunners way the hell down there. And they just fucked me over. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Did you see him? Did you see the chain gunner way over there? Time to make a move. Get out of the way. Berserk! Ah! I live, you fuckers! You're not stopping me, you jackasses. Come on down. I got a big surprise for you. Shotgunner dies. Any chain gunners left? Yes. Over there in the corner, trying to hide. Trying to be all sneaky. Look at that nonsense going on over there. Yeesh. This is not a good place to stand. Okay, there's one chain gunner left down there. Maybe 2. I don't know. Yeah, there's 2. And I heard a rocket. Jeez, this map is just relentless. Kind of fun in its own way, though. Okay. Now, I believe I need to go over here. Yeah, deal with you, chain gunner that was shooting at me. Actually, you know what? First I'm going to take these revenants out. Some of you may notice there's an old John Romero level design trick at play here. Of having an enemy up where those revenants are that you need to try and kill. Yet down below there are specters which distract my shots. So while I'm trying to kill the revenant, the damn specters are in the freaking way. Okay. One more. Alright, now they're dead. Sweet. Come here, specters. Okay. Fun fact about this area that I'm standing in right now, you see the brown floor out there? It damages you when you stand on it, same with the brown floor in there. But the brown floor beneath me does not cause damage. This tiny little sector that I'm in right here. No real importance to saying that, I just thought it was kind of neat. Oh, die in the first shot. Such rude little things. Nice preview of the upcoming hell we'll have to face here. Speaking of which, I'm nice and geared up. Let's go face that hell. Yeah, it's rocket time. But wow. That's what I always thought the rocket launcher said. But wow, but wow. Hot summer, pop on in and grab yourself a nice cold, refreshing, cold filtered Bud Wow. Half down. Come on. I'm noticing that Plutonia has a lot of walls that I get stuck on. A lot of little decorative columns and such on the sides of the walls that I get hung up on and savaged by the demons. Okay, got all the switches in here. Which means that... yeah, this is open now. Let's get our secret. Now, speaking of secrets, let's go get that stupid one with the damn stupid plasma rifle. First, I'll have to hop down and kill these. Okay. I have never once in my entire life gotten this secret by strafe running. Alright, just bear with me for a moment. There we go. That's a stupid secret and I don't like it. Okay. All right, you imps. I'm sorry. I nearly forgot about you guys. There you go. All the lead you can eat. I know you guys were hungry. Forgot to feed the imps. Dang it. Dang it, Bobby. This music, by the way, this is called, I think it's claustrophobia, or it's claustrophobic. Very much fits the frantic pace of this map. So far, all of the music that I've heard in the Plutonia MIDI pack really fits the levels well. The people who made these really did a good job. I haven't even heard all of them yet. I can't wait for map 7. Map 7 is a real headbanger. It's awesome. Okay. Whoa, I didn't know you could come up there. Is there anything up there? Nope, not really. Got him! Splatified his ass. And if I'm not mistaken, that should be everything. 78, 78, 4 out of 4, 30 out of 30. Woo! Beat Caged. This is a map that I used to not like at all because it's so non-linear and confusing on where to go. Not to mention the fact that you're just constantly surrounded, always getting fired at. But I don't know, practicing this one, I really came to appreciate it. Once you figure out where to go, and of course the most important thing for me is always to figure out where the weapons are, so I need to go to those places first. But yeah, once you figure it out, Caged is a lot of fun. Up next is another one that is really fun that I've been practicing. Ghost Town. So, until then, my name is Hair Monster. And I just blew myself up in your face.